Good morning from Selah. I'm headed to the Central Washington Agriculture Museum for a meeting for the tractor club, and then we'll be back to the farm to do the chores. The roads here are not too bad, better than what they've been. Well, the tractor club meeting, it's over. We got some stuff discussed, future projects. It was a good time, so I'm going to head back to the farm and go feed those animals. Okay, I'm cheating today. I'm going to use Yukon since it's nice and warm in here to feed the animals. This is another one, cold one. I'm going to see those pigs. There must be in the house. Here, piggy, piggy, piggies. Where's those babies at? There comes the babies. Hey, babies. They're all happy I'm here. Start out with the alfalfa. We'll get you some grain. Hang on, Harold. Well, this bill, the flakes are falling apart. The last bill was nice. Okay, let's hope this one don't fall apart. Watch out, piggies. There you go. Alright. I'll get you some grain now. Okay, everybody's been fed. I got one egg. I want to give this egg to Harold. Harold! Want an egg? Cold egg. There you go. Petunia and the babies over here are doing okay. Alright, family's got hay and grain. You have to add some water, dump out the ice, and we'll be good for today. Yep, we'll get back in my warm ride and go back up to the house. Well, I just threw the ball out there for the dogs and they went the wrong way. Anyway, it's been a pretty nice day. It hasn't been as cold as it has been. Got some stuff done. Got to see some people. Over there in the distance, I just heard somebody riding a snowmobile. It's not very often they get to do that around here. Well, anyway, well, thank you very much for watching. You have a great evening.